friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I shall be showing you how we can link CSS and JavaScript to HTML, and we are going to create a different file for CSS and different file for JavaScript. This is a little project. Looking at the project, you can see this buy airtime, phone number and all this. We shall be created using the app we have been using in this training, and the app is TribEdit. Now let's dive in. Now I come over to my TribEdit, look at it here, click on it. For the purpose of this lesson, I've created a folder here. This folder is called example, and inside this folder I created this file. And you remember I said that we're going to create two more files, one for CSS and one for JavaScript. Now below here by my right side you see a plus sign here, click on it. Now this is new file, click on a new file. We are going to create a more new file. I call it form.css, or you can say style.css. Save it, look at it here, create more one file below here, below here again, plus sign, new file. Then the other one is form.js. The dot must be there. You can use any name you like. You can save it now. So these are the three files we are going to work with in this project now, because we are going to link the CSS and the JavaScript to index.html. Now I'll come over to my Handwriter, click on it. This is the project that I have created using Handwriter. Every code is in HTML, both the CSS and the JavaScript. Now I'm going to copy the HTML where it started. If you look at here is the body. I'll highlight on it and then copy all the HTML. Copy. Then I'll now go over to my TribEdit, come to my HTML. Now I'll get my structure, click on this, then inside the body I'll paste it. Okay, here is the code now. You can see I'm having two bodies here, bodies two here. I'll just click on one and then I'll remove it, delete. Going back to the Handwriter again, I'm going to copy the CSS code. This is the CSS code. Copy from the body. I will not copy the CSS. I'll just copy the code inside the style. Alright. Copy. Then come back to my TribEdit. If you remember, we created two folders. I'll go back to the folder, to CSS, form.css. Then I'll paste it here. Paste. So here is the code. Then lastly, I'll go back there again. Go back to Handwriter free. Then I'll copy the JS here. So from here, this is JavaScript. Just copy it. JS from here. I'll just click and hold on it. Then I'll copy everything. Copy. Then going back to my TribEdit, we created a folder, a file for it. Then look at it inside here. Hold on, then paste. So from here now, you can, on top here, you can see this is form.js. This is form.css, and this is form, and this is index.html. We want to link these two, this form.js and form.css, to index.html. Now, before I link this, I want to show you something here from this handwriter. Let's display this. As you can see how it is. Now let's do some logical operation here. Input the phone number, put phone number, this, and this. Then how much you want to buy. Let's see what will happen now. Now click on buy. Have you seen what gives you here? Anytime a 500 naira purchase for December was successful. Have you seen it? Now this thing, the same thing will happen in the same way when we link to our TribEdit. Coming back here now, let's first of all link this to CSS. Okay, let's play it. Let's display it and see how it is. You can see because the CSS has not yet been linked. Now we are going to link it. Going back, we link it after the title. Now below here, coming below here, move this until you find link. Look at the link here, then click on it. Have you seen? Now the name of our CSS file is form.css. Now let's play it. Have you seen it? It has taken its effect. The CSS has taken its effect. Okay, from here now let's perform that logical operation, and let's know that it will work. 090 this, and this. Okay, how much? 500. Buy. See, buy. Nothing is happening because the JavaScript has not yet been linked. Now let's go back and link our JavaScript. After the CSS link, below it, come here. This is script. And move this little bars here. Look at the script. Click on it. Now in between the first script tag, move it space, then write your source. From which source do we get it? CRC source. Set it to equals to, what's the name of our JS file? This is the name, form.js. Now let's play again and see. Okay, the number 09098877665. How much? 500. Have you seen it? It has worked. It's worked now. So this is the way we link CSS, JavaScript, JavaScript to HTML. If this video was helpful to you, you can subscribe to this channel, like and comment, so that to enable us to do more. You can equally copy the codes and use it for your project. Use a CSS, and then this is the JS. So you can copy the code and use this for a project. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.